2:32 a.m.
Oh man, this cartoon is so fun. Bang, bang, bang. Oh shit, no, no, no. Yes, I got covered. You know something? I hate multiplayer. I'm gonna play zombie.
6:34 a.m.
I'm around 1,000,000. Oh, I'm gonna go pack a punch my reason. Yeah, she's pack a punch. What the fuck is that noise? Freaking living. What the fuck are you doing? I'm playing Call of Duty. You wanna play? No, you have school. Wait, your school? Wait, summer. You have summer school, you moron. Oh shit. So where's your stuff? I think I put it in my pee-pee. Are you fucking high? Oh, it's over there. You better have those stuff for school. Now, get ready and go in the freaking bathroom and brush your teeth. I'm playing Call of Duty. I'm on round 1,000,000. There is no way you're on that round. I'll prove it. Look on your TV. Holy shit! How'd you do that? I played all night without dying. Cause every time we play, we always make it around 10. Well, if I had a bigger TV, I could do it. Okay, now go brush your teeth. Oh, do I have to? Yes, you have to. Fine. What the fuck are you doing? I hate this shit, Daddy. I think you did too much. Okay, spit. What the fuck was that? Ah, shit. Okay, hurry up and spit. And go take a shit. Hey, go, 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 go. What the fuck are you doing? I couldn't make it, Daddy. You just had to walk 1 fucking inch. Johnny, Daddy. Okay, I think I'm done. Wait. Okay, now. I'm gonna be so handsome for all the ladies. Oh yeah, you're gonna be the only one there. What the fuck did you just say? Did you say that I'm gonna be the only one? Yep, Mr. Kong's gonna help you with all your stuff. Oh, that guy named Mr. Kong. His name is not Mr. Kong. Okay, then why is his name spelled like that? Cause. And why didn't you just spell that? Oh, because I had to go get something for school. What was it? It was your pencil, you dumbass. Okay, now go in the living room and get your backpack. Can you help me? No, I'm not. This is why you're going to summer school. You'll make me pick everything up. Ugh. How am I supposed to pick this shit up, Daddy? Fine, I'll go take it to you.
Go.
Okay, your stuff is in the car and ready to go. Wait, and when you check my candy. I don't care, just take it. 1. Fucking hurry up. 2. 15 minutes again. Let's go. Wait. You bang that shit off the TV, motherfucker. You turn it off. You're a dead meat, motherfucker. Don't look at me like that, you piece of shit. Okay, let's go. What is this place? It's your no school, you dumbass. Ooh, is that the guy you were talking about? Yeah, he looks like a cock. He's not a cock, son. Dude, respect your elders. Okay.
Okay, welcome to summer school. And apparently you must be Pussy Dog?
Yeah.
Okay, so you're my only student.
Sir?
What do you want?
I just left him to drop him off, yeah, so I'm gonna be on my way home, so see you.
Bye. Don't come back. Okay, so.
Wait. I forgot to tell something to my daddy. What the fuck do you want? I just need her. I want to give you a hug. Oh, you're so nice. What the heck are you doing? Nothing. I took his forward. Okay, well, we had a talk, and that's all we did.
Okay, what did he want?
Oh, I just went over to give him a big hug.
Okay, well you're gonna want to give him that hug, cause this is gonna be like prison. Wait, my head's got an itch. What's this? What's this in my head? Why'd you put candy in my head?
I didn't put that in your head.
Yes, you did, cause I didn't.
Cause your head looked like a pen.
But you.
So that's why I put my candy in there.
Exactly. But why did you put it in there? When you could have just.
The only place I can put it.
No, you could have put it back on your table like when you got here.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you could have done that.
No, I didn't.
Okay. Anyways, now reach down under your desk and get your books, except for your
book?
every single one of them except for the reading book. No, there's one more under there. No, not that one. That's the only book that you don't need. Don't shove that down.
You see that the only book I don't need, you piece of crap.
But you don't have to shove it down.
Shut up, Mr. Cock.
My name is not Mr. Cock. It's Mr. Kong for the last time.
Then why did my daddy say that your name's Mr. Cock? Okay?
He did not say that.
Yes, he did. He said it at home. He's like, your new summer teacher's gonna be Mr. Cock.
What? Let me give him a call. Bing, 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 bing.
What do you want? What do you want?
So your son is saying that you called me Mr. Cock.
No,
Is that right?
Okay, I'm gonna say this, but don't tell my son about it. He is retarded. I said that his new summer teacher is gonna be Mr. Kong, but he keeps saying, "Oh, his name is Mr. Cock," and I'm like, "No, respect your elders." I know he's retarded. That's why he says the wrong thing every time. So goodbye.
Wait.
What?
I forgot to tell you. He kind of heard all that because the phone was on speaker.
Oh shit! What you doing, piece of shit?
Sorry, I didn't know. I just can't really hear with stuff up to my ear like
He
that.
doesn't understand all that stuff anyways. Okay, see you. Beep.
Here. So, I'm guessing that you heard that.
Drop your phone down there.
Because I can't. Now, I'm sure that you... What are you doing?
Put this home.
Put down my phone!
I'm putting it in my backpack.
Why?
Good. I want it.
Okay, so, did you hear that right? You heard them, that he said that... What are you doing? Stop that! Okay, anyways, you start... What the fuck? Why are you farting in my classroom?
Why am I put you fart? Is there a fart hole anywhere?
Why the fuck would they make a fart hole?
I know what the fart hole is. On your head.
That's just my dismantled brain.
So that means you're stupid?
No! It doesn't mean that I'm stupid. Okay, so it's time to learn. So get your pencil out and open up your book and write your name.
I don't have a pencil.
Why don't you have a pencil?
My dad forgot to put it in my backpack.
But you're supposed to take care of that by yourself.
My dad said, I'm gonna go get your pencil for Mama. And the next day he's like, oh, I brought some milk. And I'm like, did you get your pencil? He's like, oh, shit, I forgot.
Oh, okay, fine. I'll get you your pencil. Just sit there and do nothing. Ah, there's your pencil. What are you doing?
Say not to do nothing.
Oh my gosh! So you didn't breathe or nothing?
No.
Oh my gosh! So you just sat there and did nothing at all?
Yes.
All you did was sit there?
Yes. My
gosh! Well, I guess you take things too literally. But either way, open up that book. To the first page!
You should open up the book now. You say, "See your first page."
Yes. Okay, now write your name down.
Whose name is Nigga? Oh, that used to be your old name.
No, that used to be one of my old students.
Nigga Cock, that's a good name.
No, that is not my name. That used to be one of my students. Because he was retarded just like you and he wrote down nigga.
You call me retarded.
I didn't call you retarded. I never call you retarded. Stop crying, it's annoying.
Fine, I'm gonna put my call on Blue. I just got to into my account. Anyways, pause.
Wait, what'd you say you were playing?
I'm playing. Boop, boop, boop.
Can I watch?
No.
Why? Sweet! Wait, so why are you playing Po Po Po?
I lied. I'm playing Call of Duty.
Okay.
Call of Duty.
Call of Bobo. Wait, whose phone is this?
And that's mine. I have 2 phones.
You mean you only have one phone?
Well, you did give me this one.
No, I didn't.
Well, that's the one you had. This is the one I have from home.
Okay, give me this.
Fuck off, Mr. Cock.
That's it.
Pause.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Why are you farting all over your book?
I need to go to the bathroom.
Go! Just go over to the bathroom. Gosh, why did you freaking poop all over it? Wait, what? Did you just poop out a spoon? And candy? Oh my gosh, you just pooped out 2 spoons at once. Oh, stinks. Oh my gosh, what? You just pooped out a clip. Wait, pause. 911, 911, 911.
Oh, hello. What's your emergency?
Yes, this kid, he won't stop cussing me out. And at summer school, he keeps, my name is Mr. Kong, but he keeps calling me Mr. Panhead and Mr. Cock. Like he doesn't know that my name is Mr. Kong.
So you want me to come over there and take the chair?
Yes, please.
Okay, you hang up.
Hang up?
Yeah, you hang up.
Okay, beep. Okay, the cops are going to be here any second.
Oh, finally done. Over my G-Force. Not this guy.
Wee woo, wee woo, wee woo. Wee woo, wee woo, wee woo. Wee woo, wee woo, wee woo.
Oh man, my dad. I can't hear as fast as I can, sir. Okay, so what did you say again?
Dad, Pussy Dog, can you leave for a second?
What's the problem, sir, again?
So that Pussy Dog or man over there or whatever, yeah, he started calling me names and he knew that my name was Mr.
I remember now. Okay, so what do... Okay, where is he? Show me.
I don't know where he went. He just left.
I'm gonna go look for him.
Okay. You go do that, and you find him.
There you are. What are you doing here? I was playing Call of Duty. Let me push my game. Okay, I'll go let you push your stupid game. Okay, you're pushing. Okay, what do you want? Ooh, snowman. I thought you were cold. I'm a freaking... Okay, you're a stupid kid. You're taking this too literally. Okay, so is this the one?
Yes, that's the one.
Is you a cop? Yes, I'm a cop, you dumbass. Ooh, am I going to Doobie? Yes, we're calling him Mr. Cock. Hey. Okay. What is okay, me? Are you fucking high? What does high mean? Are you fucking high? I'm just joking. Mr. Kong, why is he taking me to Doobie?
Because you've been a bad boy and calling me names.
Wait, shut up. Wait, you told me that. He called you Mr. Cock.
He did.
He just said Mr. Kong. Yeah, Mr. Kong, why is he taking me?